Hi there, students. Druthers. Okay, druthers is almost always plural. It's saying your choice, your preference. So, given my druthers, I'd rather go skiing. Given my druthers, I would go swimming. If I had my druthers, I'd eat as much ice cream as I possibly could. Okay, so your druthers, if you had what you wanted. This is very American. If I had my druthers, given my druthers, yeah, if I had what I wanted, if I was able to do what I choose to do. So, if you could have your druthers, what would you be doing now? Yeah, where would you be? If you could have your druthers, what would you be doing? Okay, so given my druthers, I'd rather work outside than in an office. If I had my druthers, I'd much rather work for myself than work for someone else. Now notice this phrase is very American. This is not British at all, and it's quite informal. Now notice the origin, because the origin will help you with the meaning. It comes from the phrase I'd rather. Yeah, and sometimes you'll even hear it used as a verb. I'd rather not do that. I'd rather not do that. Yeah, I'd rather do something else. But druthers, if I got my druthers, my wishes, my preferences, this is very often used humorously as well. So from I'd rather, if I had my druthers, I'd go out and dance all night, but I can't because I've got to go to work early tomorrow morning. So your preference, your choice, your alternative, you wish, yeah? If I had my wishes, yeah? If wishes were horses, then beggars would ride. If druthers were horses, then beggars would ride. Druthers, wishes, what you want. If I could do anything I chose, this is my druthers. What I want to do, what I feel like doing. So if I had my druthers, I'd change the political system completely. Let's see. This isn't the way I would do this. Given my druthers, given his druthers, he would listen to a different type of music. Given his druthers, he would live in a different type of society. Okay, so druthers, this is something that you want. This is what you would really like to do. Your druthers, it's nearly always plural. Your preference in something. If I had my druthers, I'd be a famous artist. Yeah, if most kids had their druthers, they'd be a famous footballer. So, formality, 3.5. Use informally. Remember, this is American, not British. And the origin, I would rather, I'd rather, druther. Okay, my druthers, and it's nearly always plural. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Druthers.